Hey everyone, Zoe here.
Blair here.
And Blair has something to share with everybody.
I have a new game that I would like to share with you guys. So we're going to need a dice and some letters. Vowels.
Oh, they're vowels. Okay.
I'll explain the game now. So first you have to roll the dice. 6. So if you get the 6, they're free. I'm just going to try to roll a number. Yeah, 2. So I'm going to go to the second one. And then the next person's turn.
Oh, so do you get a point if you say it correctly?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you get 1 point. Okay, is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. So I get 1. So I go, ah. Did I get it?
Yes.
Okay, so I get a point and then you get a point. Okay. And 5.
Fifth one. So this one. Your turn.
Thanks. Oh, okay. 5 again. Okay.
3.
Oh, I get 1.
6 on 3.
Okay. 4. 5.
Yeah.
So our last one. 5. Okay. So I have like 6 points. Your turn.
Last one. 1. Yay!
How do we win this game?
So you're gonna set a timer for 1 minute. Who gets the most points when the timer beeps is the winner.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, thanks for your sharing. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, and press the notifications button. See ya!